Do you recognize this window? It's the window at my mom's house, where I first discovered there was a nest right outside the kitchen window, right up in the rafters. It's right up there. Now, I was able to come back and visit this weekend, about 2.5 weeks later, and I wanted to see what was going on in the nest now. Now, if you watch the other video, you'll know that that nest we discovered was carrying eggs.
Oh my goodness. Do you see what I see that's inside the nest? That's amazing.
Mama bird laid eggs in it. And now I'm going to take a look and see how things are going with the eggs.
Oh my goodness. We have baby birds. Oh. It's a little bit challenging to see each baby bird individually, but do you see some little beaks? Do you see feathers? They have very soft feathers right now. They're trying to stay warm in this nest. There's a very cold breeze blowing. But when the mama bird comes back, she's going to sit right on top of them and keep them all warm.
Just like human babies, baby birds need to eat too. And this mama bird has been out of the nest for about the last 15 or 20 minutes. And I'm pretty sure she was out looking for food for her baby birds. Do you know what baby birds eat? Well, they eat the different kinds of bugs and insects that mama birds will find out in nature. Mama birds go out and they pluck worms from the soil, and they pick up bugs, all different kinds of bugs. They bring it back to the nest, and then they feed it to the baby birds. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's the daddy bird. And he brought food back to the baby birds, and he's feeding them. You can tell that's the daddy bird because he has kind of a reddish patch of feathers on his chest. And not only does the mommy bird feed the baby birds, but the daddy helps out too when they're big enough to open up their mouths. Can you see that? I can't get too much closer because I don't want to scare him away. But the baby birds are reaching up. That's their little heads popping up over the edge of the nest. Oh, he went to go get some more food.
He had red plumage.
He did, on his chest. That's how you can tell the daddy bird from the mommy bird.